Check out how easy it can be to install these electric car chargers once you have the proper power source.
So I got this plate on here, got it screwed in with the concrete screws, so now I'm about to hook it up. Pretty much fresh out the box, it's ready to hook up. I mean, all you gotta do is hook it on here and plug it in. But it also came with some screws back here, mounting screws. This thing is weird because you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To me, it should have came with 5 screws, but it came with 2. I guess it's one at the top and one in the middle. Actually got a lock also with a key that'll lock it on the wall. That's why I came with 2 screws. Need to keep getting it tighter so you can have a better tight fit and be loose. There we go. So by tightening this one here and this one here, it hooks in to the little indents on there. Maybe y'all can see those there. So right here, it's sliding in here and here. And this middle one right here, this lock right here with the key. See how that flip out and hook? So that's gonna lock that on there. You can pull the key out so nobody can mess with it and take it off the wall. All right, pretty long cord. This is the part you put into the car. Edge cook. Plug here. Let's see. Purple line there. Still actually need to secure this also when they unplug and plug in, which I'm not gonna be unplugging at all. I want it to be a whole lot more secure. This one is like a smart charger also that you can hook up to your phone and all that good stuff, or I think you could just do it regular. Charge up the car, pull it out, unravel it, plug it in. I'm gonna wait to plug that in, but I don't know the special instructions. All right, so it said don't hook up to the power because it's gonna guide them through the setup. So we're gonna leave it unplugged, but we know it works. I'm gonna leave this paperwork on top of here, and then we're gonna install this other one. All of this charger also, it gotta be at least 18 inches off the ground, which I know I'm way higher than that. See, 18 inches is down here. They wanted to be at least higher than that, so of course I'm putting it right here next to it. All that one straight. That is not like super extra stuff that I'm taking. All this is just put together with we got our screws here. I just plug around. I gotta get it up. I'm not gonna shut off this power and tighten this line up over here. All I gotta do is pretty much just caulk this hole around here and then we'll do it. That's it. So I just went ahead and plugged these up, and we got that nice purple light. So they can charge up their cars now. They just gotta hook up the Wi-Fi. So they can do smart charging, I guess, see it from their phone and do whatever they do. This one got a dimmer light. See how that one over there is a bright purple. This one is slightly dim, so I went ahead and checked the voltage just to make sure we was getting the right voltage in. Definitely getting the right voltage on both of the lines though. I guess these LEDs on here are just a little dimmer. Thank y'all for tuning in. Of course, Ray ain't here because part of being a parent entrepreneur, doing a bunch bunch of stuff. We can't always find a babysitter. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Definitely check out rantalk.com and stay tuned for the next video.